Hello all. As we know that the D-Day has arrived, and this video is not to preach anything or to talk about any strategy or what you should do or what you should not. You already know everything now, and I just want to wish you guys all the best. That whatever the efforts you have put in from last 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, whatever your number of attempt may be, it might be your first attempt, second attempt, you might have failed prelims earlier, you might have failed mains earlier, but I just want to tell you one thing, that don't go with the baggage of the pressure of yourself, pressure of your family, pressure of your relatives, friends, whatever type of pressure may be. Don't go with any pressure, just go with open mind, and just remember that you have struggled a lot for this exam. Don't forget why you have started preparing for this exam. Just close your eyes for 5 minutes, remember all the struggle, remember all the efforts, remember all the sacrifices you have made till now, remember the days and nights you have studied wholeheartedly. So now there is no need to fear this exam, because you already have struggled and you already have worked so hard for this exam. So there is no point in fearing the exam which you have been preparing for. So I just want to tell you that, this is the day, today or the tomorrow is the day which you have been preparing from years, months, and this is the day which will take you one step closer to your aim of becoming an IAS, IPS or IFS officer, or or a public servant for that matter. So it is the day you have been preparing, and the day has arrived. So just give your best. Don't worry about the result, don't worry about the number of attempts. Just go with open mind, calmness, composure, and remember that it is your battle. Nobody else can win it for you. You have to win it yourself, and tomorrow is the day of the battle. So don't forget to fight till the last moment. No matter how difficult question comes, no matter how easy question comes, even if you are not able to answer 10 questions in a row, 20 questions in a row, just take a deep breath and ask or tell yourself that if I am not able to answer this, nobody else in this India or in this country is going to answer this, because I have given my best, and if I have studied properly and I am not able to answer this, nobody else will be able to answer this question. Just go with this confidence, read every question carefully. Remember in mind that every question is going to decide whether you will write the prelims or not. You need not top the prelims, we just have to clear it. So your number of attempts should be in a similar manner. So accordingly at least attempt 78 to 80 questions. If you can attempt more than that, that will be better, but don't attempt only 50 questions, 60 questions. And don't give up in the exam hall, no matter whatever type of question paper comes. You have fought for these studies, you have struggled for these studies, so show that you are a fighter. And I wish you guys all the best, and I hope that all of your efforts culminate into clearing this prelims examination, and you will be writing mains. And I am looking forward to mentor, or you looking forward to help you guys with the prelims as well as mains preparation. So thank you, and I am looking forward to good news from your side that your paper went well. So all the best, and thank you very much.